chapter number 3, the alien planet, the green movements role. Let us see the last part of this chapter, page number 46. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it's critical in many of 88 countries investigated. A 3-year study, okay. One of the commission has taken the report of 3-year study of satellites and aerial photography. They have seen the problems of the earth from satellite and they have taken the aerial photography conducted by the United Nations. That was conducted by United Nations, and also that 3-year study has warned that the environment has deteriorated. Here the word deteriorated means what you have given deteriorated means become worse. Okay, so it's going to be worse so badly that it's critical condition. Now Earth is having critical condition in many of 88 countries of the world. How many countries? 88 countries, not in any single country, but into the world, total 88 countries is facing the same problem regarding Earth. So, in investigation, they have found that in 88 countries this problem or critical condition we can see of the Earth, and this was given by United Nations. So, here second paragraph says that there can be no doubt that the growth of the world population is one of the strongest factors. Obviously, nowadays you can see the problem of the population, and this is the strongest factor distorting the future of the human society. And this is the only factor we can say that the population is only the thing which can destroy the earth, जिससे earth destroy हो सकता है. And we can distorting means changing shape. Changing shape. We have changed the shape of the condition, shape of the total whatever the system we are having, biological system, that we have changed, and it took mankind more than 1 million years to reach the first billion. Whenever on the earth the living species are there, at that time it took 1 year to make 1 million. See, दुनिया में 1 मिलियन बनने के लिए 1 मिलियन जितनी पॉपुलेशन जब हुई थी उस टाइम पे, एट दैट टाइम इट टुक 1 ईयर, एंड देन दैट वाज द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन अराउंड द ईयर 1800. ओके, दैट वाज द थिंग ऑफ 1800 ईयर. बाय द ईयर 1900, उसके इनटू आफ्टर 100 इयर्स इनटू द 1800, 1 million population, and it took 1 year. After 100 years means into the year 1900, the world population will be the second billion was added. Sorry, here you have given billion, not a million. Actually, I had done mistake. It's billion. And into the next 100 year, 1 more is added and it become 2 billion. It become 2 billion. So 1800 में 1 year लगा 1 billion बनने में. In 1900 it becomes 2 billion directly. Second billion was added, and the 20th century has added another 3.20. 20th century added, and it becomes 3.7 billion. So now you can understand the world population, it is totally increased, and the present world population is estimated, and now means ये chapter जब लिखा गया था तब की बात है. At that time 5.7 billion was there. Every 4 days the world population increases by 1 million. Every 4 days, each 4 days we can see the 1 million of the population into the world. Now fertility falls as income rise. Income rise. Income means nowadays people are so hard working. They are doing work. They are getting money. So they are having awareness to means they are having awareness of fertilization. Fertilization of what? To produce child. Okay. So fertility falls when incomes raise. Education spreads. जैसे ही education बढ़ता है, awareness become more and more, and health improves. Just because if we can control fertility, then only we can control the population. Thus, development is the best contraceptive. Contraceptive means drug to prevent pregnancy. Contraceptive. Contraceptive. Drug to prevent pregnancy. So now people are aware that we don't have to produce much child. If we are producing much child, so population become increased. So they are having this awareness, and but development itself may not be possible if the present increase in the number continue. But if the population will increase and it will continue, then development should not be that. If we want development, then we will have to control population. The rich get richer and the poor beget children, which condemns them to remain poor. Rich gets richer and poor, they are just producing child to get income, more and more income. But they become more and more poor through producing the child. More children does not to mean more workers. It does not mean that more children they are having, so more workers they are having. It does not mean that. Merely more people without work, because they are not having any kind of education. So it is not mandatory to get work. So they are not having work. So how can they get money? It is not suggested that human beings be treated like cattle and compulsory sterilized. See, in animal world, we can sterilize. We can stop them to produce a child. Okay, but in humans, हम वो नहीं कर सकते हैं. So sterilized here, it means made unproductive. उसको unproductive बनाना. But there is no alternative to voluntary. We are not having any alternate option to stop population. Family planning without introducing an element of caution. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. See, we can choose one of the things. We are having choice. Either we can choose one thing, that is control of population, or else perpetuation of poverty. We can control on population, या तो हम वो कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, या तो उसको करना चाहिए, or else we remains poor, या तो हम poor के poor ही रहे. So these two options we are having. So best option is to control population. So we can see the development into the world. The population of India is estimated to be 920 million today. Today 920 million is there. At that time, more than the entire population of Antarctica and South America put together. If you are putting South America and South Africa and America's population together, then also our India's total population is bigger than that two of the country. वो दोनों की population को आप mix में कर दो, तब भी इंडिया की population नहीं होती है. इंडिया की उससे ज़्यादा है. And no one familiar with the condition in India would doubt that the hope of the people would die in their hungry huntsmen unless population control is given topmost priority. If we are not controlling population, then many of the people in India remains poor only, and they will die in their heart. Okay, they will not see the development, they will not get any money, they will not even rescue from that situation. वो situation से बाहर नहीं आ सकते if we are not controlling population. So for the first time in human history we see transcending concern. Transcending concern means we are having this problem and anxiety. हमें ये चिंता है. चिंता कौन सी है? The survival not just of the people but of the planet. अब लोगों को नहीं बचाना है. Now we will have to save our planet, and we have begun to take holistic view. Holistic means whole view. of the very basis of our existence. We are there on the earth. Now our existence we will have to save. अगर जिंदा रहना है, so we will have to save ourselves as well as earth. The environmental problem does not necessarily signal our demise. It is our passport for the future. Environment does not show that now your demise will be there and it is nearby you. Okay, the end will nearby you, but it has already given us the passport to reach there. Environment ने वो passport हमें provide कर दिया. Now the earth will come to an end. Okay, so passport we can see for the future. The emerging new world vision. The new world vision has ushered in era of responsibility. If we all can be responsible, then we can save our earth. It is a holistic view and ecological view, seeing the world as an integrated. Integrated means closely connected. Integrated means closely connected. So what is integrated? A whole rather than a dissociated collection of parts. We don't want to divide world into a parts, but we want a holistic view of the world. So all should be responsible into the world. Industry has a most crucial role to play in this new era. Obviously, nowadays industry plays most crucial role of the responsibility. What transformation would be effected if more businessmen shared the view of the chairman of DuPont. DuPont is one of the company name, where the chairman name is means owner name is Mr. Edgar S. Bullard, who 5 years ago, see the company name is DuPont and the owner name Mr. Edgar S. Bullard, who has said before 5 years ago that declared himself to be the company's chief environmental officer. He was the chief environmental officer also. He said, our continued existence as leading manufacturer requires that we excel in environmental performance. If we want to be on the earth, then we will have to manufacture. If we want to manufacture, requires that we excel in environmental performance. We should हम कर सकते हैं environmental performance को और ज़्यादा अच्छा करें, तो हम ये कंपनी को और आगे ले जा सकते हैं. Of all the statement made by Margaret Thatcher during the years of prime ministership, none has passed so decisively into the current coin of English usage as her felicitious word here. We can say that one of the person, Margaret Thatcher, okay, she has given a beautiful line of the world, of the earth, and none of the person has given in these meaning. ऐसा meaning शायद ही किसी ने दिया होगा. What she is saying here, felicitous means very suitable, that no generation has a free hold on this earth. किसी का हक नहीं है ये अर्थ पे. All we have is a life tenancy. We have a life. We are living on the earth on a rent, and instead of rent, we will have to pay something. What we can pay? With a full of repairing lands. Okay. Full of repairing leaves, we will have to repair the earth. We will have to increase the health of the earth. We will have to give good treatment to the earth. This is the rent. In the world of Mr. Lester Brown, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. हमारे पूर्वज जो है, हमारे father, grandfather, वो हमें देके नहीं गए earth. But we have borrowed it from our child. But we have borrowed this earth from our child. लेकिन हमने ये उधार लिया है अपने बच्चों से. So this is the very beautiful sentence that we have not got this in inheritance. This earth has not given by our forefathers. So we cannot do anything with the earth. We will have to save the earth. We will have to prevent the earth. So we can give something good to our future generation. So this is the message we have got from this chapter. So this is part 3. You just refer part 3 into the next live session. We will discuss this part 3.